Hey silly crafters, it's time to do our weekly nails. This will be a set of short almond press-ons. To begin, I'll be taking my Melody Susie blooming gel and I'm just going to do a thin layer right on top of the nails. Now I'm going to take some black gel polish and just go around the nail. And make sure to be using a generous amount of gel. We should end up with something that looks like this, and it will start blending in a little bit more. Just leave it alone and don't cure it. Now I'll just be doing the same thing to the rest of the nails. Here is what they end up looking like. I have not cured them yet. Make sure that you allow enough time for all the gel to spread. Next, I'm taking my chrome friendly top coat and this is going to help my chrome stick. Make sure to cure this for 1 minute in your nail lamp, and now we're just going to be adding some chrome. This is really easy to do, it's simply just rubbing it in. This is just creating more dimension for a deeper cat eye look. Now using my Born Pretty metallic colors in this beautiful red, I'll be applying a thin layer right on top. There was a part of a set that also came with this magnet, and so I'm just using this to create a more deeper look. It's so easy to use and see exactly where your magnet is. And once we're done, this is what it should look like, and now we're ready to cure. Again, we're just going to keep going and doing the same thing to the rest of the nails. Once we have our base, we can leave it like this, but I wanted to add just a little bit more with some solid gel. I love using this gel for all my 3D effects. I feel like they just look so much better on the nails. I seen sort of this scrunched ribbon look, and so I wanted to create that, and I started off by just putting a base and then just kind of mimicking the shape. I also added some beads right through the middle just to add some more glam. Remember to always seal your design with an ultra high gloss top coat, but now we are done with our nail set. And so if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also head over to my Instagram or TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And just thank you so much for watching.